Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Flutter, platform SDKs, and a Firebase project. Create Android and iOS app entries in Firebase and download Google services. JSON and Google Service Info. Plist. Then add Firebase Core and Firebase messaging to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Once done, configure Android Gradle. Apply plugins and place JSON in app/. For iOS, add Plist to Runner and enable push capabilities in Xcode. These are the first actionable steps to get the project wired to Firebase. Next, initialize Firebase at app start. Await Firebase. Initialize app in main before run app. For iOS, explicitly request notification permissions and handle authorization status so you know when to show prompts. Register a top-level background message handler for headless events and set up Firebase messaging listeners for on-message and on-message opened app to handle foreground and tap notifications. Also make sure to set APN's credentials in Firebase for iOS and configure FCM server key or service account for sending messages. Finally, complete platform-specific config. Add required permissions and receivers to Android manifest, and ensure the iOS Plist has required keys and push capabilities enabled. Upload your APN's key or certificate into Firebase for iOS and confirm Android Firebase Cloud Messaging is using the correct Google services. JSON. Then obtain the device FCM token and send test messages from Firebase console or using server SDKs to verify delivery. If notifications fail, check device token validity, app background restrictions, and platform logs for rejected APNs or FCM authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.